The world of art and design has witnessed a revolutionary innovation in recent years with the advent of 3D pens. These handheld devices allow artists to bring their imagination to life. Hey everyone, in this video, we will look at the 3 best 3D pens in 2023. We have compiled this list based on performance, safety, and price. If you want more product information, I have included links in the description box below. Like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. At number 1 is the 3Doodler Start Plus Essentials. This is a safe and innovative 3D printing pen designed specifically for kids aged 6 and up. With no hot parts and child-friendly PCL plastic filaments, it is the only child-safe 3D printing pen on the market. This upgraded version is slimmer and easier to hold, charges 50% faster, has 50% more 3Doodler Start filament, and comes with 10 new stencils and an added safety standby mode. All these upgrades are made for the best 3D drawing experience. This 3D pen uses a proprietary child-friendly PCL plastic made at their production facility in Ohio. This means you can trust the safety and quality of the refills made in the USA. This 3D pen is not just a fun toy, but also a screen-free learning tool. It allows children to cut back on screen time and instead enjoy hours of play and learning as they make real-world connections to a variety of STEM concepts in a matter of seconds. With this 3D pen, children will discover the world through engaging in hands-on visual learning. This complete 3D pen kit for kids includes a 3D pen, doodle pad or doodle mat, 3 mixed color packs or Start Plus plastics, and micro USB charger, activity guide, and a ton of creative potential. In conclusion, this 3D pen is an excellent choice for parents who want their children to enjoy screen-free play and learning. With its safety features, quality refills, and engaging hands-on visual learning, this 3D pen is a perfect gift for children who love to explore their creativity in 3 dimensions. At number 2 on the list is the Scribe 3DP 1 3D printing pen. This printing pen is perfect for improving spatial thinking, creativity, and artistic skills. It is a great tool for quality family time and practical for making handmade gifts or decorations. The Stippless Speed function ensures optimal speed control no matter the task, whether it's slower, intricate projects or faster infill work. This printing pen is a ready-to-use kit, including 3 colors of PLA plastic to keep you doodling for ages, a power adapter, step-by-step manual, and a free stencil guide. It's beginner-friendly and easy to use. Just plug it in, heat it up, and enjoy creating 3-dimensional masterpieces. This printing pen is temperature adjustable to accommodate multiple types of filament, including PLA or ABS, and features an easy-to-use Stippless Speed slider for optimal speed adjustment. This printing pen is safe and risk-free. The ceramic nozzle and premium motor ensure safety and high performance without clogging. It's equipped with a 2-minute auto-sleep function after 3D doodling stops, anti-clogging features, and intuitive controls for a seamless doodling experience. Overall, this printing pen is a versatile and functional tool for anyone who loves creating in 3D. It's affordable, easy to use, and safe, making it perfect for beginners and advanced users alike. Whether you're making decorations, fixing things around the home, or simply exploring your creativity, this printing pen is a great choice. At number 3 on our list is the Pika 3D Super 3D printing pen. This lightweight and compact pen allows you to explore new ways of modeling your imagination in 3 dimensions. With this printing pen, it's as easy as plug and play. Simply plug in the pen, choose your filament color, and watch as your ideas materialize into tangible objects. Start by creating simple shapes and use them as building blocks to construct more intricate and detailed structures. Embrace a new hobby and dive into the world of 3D drawing fun with this printing pen. Think outside the box, unleash your creativity, and design freehand 3D drawings that will captivate the imagination. Not only is this printing pen a source of entertainment, but it also serves as a useful and reliable learning tool. It has applications in various fields, such as math, architecture, science, and more. It provides a hands-on experience that enhances learning and understanding practically and engagingly. Whether you're looking for a unique gift for a loved one or simply want to ignite your creativity, this printing pen is the perfect choice. It comes as a ready-to-use kit, ensuring that the recipient can start creating right away. Let this printing pen inspire artistic expression and innovation for people of all ages and for any occasion. In conclusion, this 3D printing pen offers a world of creative possibilities. Its agility, plug-and-play functionality, and versatility make it an ideal tool for unleashing your imagination. Whether for personal enjoyment or educational purposes, this printing pen is a gift of creativity that will leave a lasting impression. So that's all about the 3 best 3D pens in 2023. If you think we have left valuable 3D pens, please leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to subscribe.